Kate Wood and Anthony Avila.
Didn't realize you were behind me.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are our freshman attendants and their escorts. Our first sophomore attendant is Alicia Dickey, presented by her father, Doug Dickey. She is escorted by Andy McGraw. Alyssa is the daughter of Doug and Dawn Dickey. She is a member of FCCLA, FTA, PAL Trend, FLC, Letterman's Club, Student Council, Raider Cross Country, and Track and Field. Escort Andy McGraw is the son of Richard and Missy McGraw. He is a member of FTA, Student Council, Raider Football, and Basketball. Alyssa Dickey and Andy McGraw. Our next sophomore candidate is Raven Larkin, presented by her father, Brian Larkin. She is escorted by Josh Buckner. She is the daughter of Brian and Angie Larkin. Raven is a member of FCCLA, FTA, FLC, Drama Club, FBLA, History Club, Science Club, Art Club, PAL Trend Club, YFC, and North County Raider Cheerleading. Escort Josh Buckner is the son of Ronnie and Rhonda Buckner. He is a member of YFC, FTA, FLC, Student Council, NC Singers and Concert Choir, Vice President of FCCLA, Vice President of Drama Club, and the Sophomore Class President. Raven Larkin and Josh Buckner. Our final sophomore attendant is Carly Monroe, presented by her mother, Kelly Monroe, escorted by Ryan Gibson. Carly is the daughter of Kelly Monroe. She is a member of FCCLA, Letterman's Club, North County Singers, Raider Cross Country, and Track and Field. Escort Ryan Gibson is the son of Dave and Lisa Gibson. He's a member of Letterman's Club, Raider Football, and Baseball. Carly Monroe and Ryan Gibson. Ladies and gentlemen, these are your sophomore attendants and their escorts. And now representing the junior class, our first junior attendant is Laura Elam, presented by her sister, Vicki Gamblin. She is escorted by Chris Carr. Laura is the daughter of Dale Elam. She is a member of FCCLA, PAL Trend, Link Crew, Raider Softball, and Soccer. Escort Chris Carr is the son of Fred and Tracy Carr. He is a member of Link Crew and Raider Football. Laura Elam and Chris Carr. Our next junior attendant is Shelby Kennedy, presented by her father, David Kennedy. She is escorted by Cameron Vasquez. Shelby is the daughter of David and Tanya Kennedy. She is a member of FCCLA, FTA, History Club, and Raider Cheerleading. Escort Cameron Vasquez is the son of James and Terry Vasquez. He is a member of FTA, FCCLA, PAL Trend, History Club, Raider Football, and Basketball. Shelby Kennedy and Cameron Vasquez. Our final junior attendant is Isabella Ramirez. Isabella is presented by her father, Silver Ramirez. She is escorted by Nick McNeil. Isabella is the daughter of Silver Ramirez and Aaron Ramirez. She is a member of FCCLA, Link Crew, Basic Committee, Concert Choir, Upward Bound, and 4-H Club. Escort Nick is the son of Rochelle McNeil. He is a member of the Raider weightlifting team and Raider varsity football. Isabella Ramirez and Nick McNeil. Ladies and gentlemen, these are your junior attendants and their escorts. Representing the senior class, our first senior queen candidate is Carly Combs, presented by her father, Kerry Combs. She is escorted by Jake Smith. Carly is the daughter of Kerry and Krista Combs. She is a member of Student Council, North County Singers, Link Crew, PAL Trend, Top 10%, FTA, FCCLA, Drama Club, FLC, Letterman's Club, History Club, Vice President of National Honor Society, Senior Class Treasurer, and Cheerleading Captain. Carly plans to attend the University of Missouri in Columbia. Escort Jake Smith is the son of Scott and Danny Smith. He is a member of FTA, FLC, History Club, FCCLA, Letterman's Club, Drama Club, Raider Baseball, and a 4-year member of Raider Varsity Football. Jake plans to attend Missouri State University. Carly Combs and Jake Smith. Our next senior queen candidate is Audrey Gibson, presented by her father, Bill Gibson. She is escorted by Aaron Parker. Audrey is the daughter of Bill and Lisa Gibson. She is a member of FLC, Pal Friend, FCCLA, National Honor Society, FTA, Letterman's Club, Basic Committee, Vice President of the Senior Class, Vice President of Student Council, Raider Basketball, and Soccer. Audrey plans to attend college upon graduation. Escort Aaron Parker is the son of Bernadette Johnson and David Parker. He is a member of National Honor Society, Letterman's Club, Raider Varsity Football, Basketball, and Track. Aaron plans to attend college to become a pharmacist. Audrey Gibson and Aaron Parker. Our third senior queen candidate is Allison Hughes, presented by her father, David Hughes. She is escorted by Dustin Kreider. Allison is the daughter of Cindy Hayes and David Hughes. She is a member of FCCLA, FTA, Pal Friend, Student Council, Christian Club, and president of FLC. Allison plans to attend Mineral Area College for 2 years, then transfer to Southwest Baptist University to become a pediatrician. Escort Dustin Kreider is the son of Tony and Deborah Kreider. He is a member of FCCLA, Pal Trend, Link Crew, Student Council, Raider Football, and All-State Track. Dustin plans to attend Mizzou for 4 years, then medical school to become an orthopedic surgeon. Allison Hughes and Dustin Kreider. Our next senior queen candidate is Paige Rosner, presented by her father, Todd Rosner. She is escorted by Colton Gilliland. Paige is the daughter of Todd and Carolyn Rosner. She is a member of Skills USA and second vice president of FCCLA. She plans to attend Mineral Area College, then transfer to Jeffco to become a veterinary technician. Escort Colton Gilliland is the son of George and Julie Gilliland. He is a member of Letterman's Club and Varsity Raider Football. He plans to attend Mineral Area College and pursue a career in construction management. Paige Rosner and Colton Gilliland. Our final senior queen candidate is Katie Tyler, presented by her brother, Nick Tyler. She is escorted by Josh Kalawaya. Katie is the daughter of Kim Tyler. She is a member of National Honor Society, Link Crew, Skills USA, North County Singers, and Varsity Cheerleading. Katie plans to attend college and earn her RN degree. Escort Josh Kalawaya is the son of Cal and Lisa Kalawaya. He is a member of North County Singers, Concert Choir, FTA, and Science Club. He plans to attend college and medical school upon graduation. Katie Tyler and Josh Kalawaya. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the entire 2009-2010 homecoming court. Let's give them a hand. And the 2009-2010 homecoming queen for North County High School is Miss Audrey Gibson. Audrey Gibson is your 2009 homecoming queen, escorted by Aaron Parker.
Going? Oh, you're good, man. You're good.
Hey, how are you? I know, he was like, hurry up. Dang it to see her at all.
Let's give him another hand, folks. Audrey Gibson.